Good afternoon, everybody. Again, no one.
Good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, class.
Okay, only five is talking with teacher again. Good afternoon, grade 5.
Good
Good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, classmate.
Classmates. Okay, so today is Wednesday, the 2nd of March 2022, and you get your vaccine. No? Don't forget that on March 2nd or 2nd of March, you get your first dose of Pfizer. Pfizer, right? The brand of vaccine is Pfizer, right?
Pfizer.
Okay. So let's start with our lesson in what is our subject? Our subject
Math.
is mathematics. Okay, so we're going to talk about volume of rectangular prism. Okay, let us read.
Volume of
Rectangular
rectangular
and
and
triangular
triangular
prism.
prism.
Okay, but today we're just going to focus on rectangular. Okay, we're not going to move to triangular because our focus in our lesson is about rectangular prism. Okay, let's have a quick review. I will ask an example of three-dimensional shape. Can you give an example of three-dimensional shape? Example, cone. What else? Cylinder. What else? Sphere.ใช่ไหม Cone, cylinder, sphere, rectangular prism. What else? Square base pyramid. Hmm. What else? Cube. ใช่ไหม Cube, cuboid. Um, yeah, those are example of 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes. When you say three-dimensional shapes, you have to remember three things: height, width, length, or length, width, height. Right? When you say 3D, there is height, length, and width. Okay. So this one is so easy. I know that you know this already. Let us just read and learn. Volume. The amount of
Volume. The amount of space
is occupied.
occupied by an object.
Okay. Example. Example, the volume
The volume of this cube is all the space
contained
contained by the size of the cube
measured
measured in cube unit.
Okay. When you say cube, is the power of 3. See my? In getting area, example on 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes, in getting area, we just use squared. Shimai? Squared. But in 3D, we cannot use squared. We use cube. Shimai? 3. Tamay, because we have length, width, and height. 3. So to the power of 3. Okay. Bye. Okay, next. Who wants to read this one? Okay, I will give 2 points for first. because you read the first sentence. Now, who wants to read the second? Songkanen. 2 points. Volume to calculate. Who wants to read? No one? I will call a name. Okay, let's have Leo. Leo, can you read volume?
Volume. The calculate the volume of films. We first need to calculate the area of the base of the
Prism. Okay, thank you. So, thank you, Leo. 2 points. Example, the area of base of this rectangular prism is length times width. Now, we know already the formula of getting the volume. ใช่ไหม? Okay, what is our formula of getting the volume of a 3D shape in rectangular prism? Who can say? I will give Hakanen. Hakanen. 5 points for the students who can give the formula of volume of a rectangular prism. Man, susuna. Formula. Who can give? Hakanen. Susu, students. V is equal. Volunteer. First, do you want to answer? Hakanen.
I don't sure, teacher.
It's okay. I can try. What is the formula? First. Come on, first. What is that? First. It's okay. How about cartoon? What is the formula of getting the volume of a rectangular prism? Hakanen. To those who can answer.
length times width times height.
Alay na? Pudang-dang na?
Length times width
Times
times height.
height. Okay. The formula of volume, getting the volume of a rectangular prism is V is equal to length times width times height. ใช่ไหม? Length times width times height. Okay. Hakanen for cartoon. 5 points for cartoon. Okay, who wants to read this third sentence about volume? Song kanena. Nut boy. Let's have nut boy. Okay, nut boy, can you read? Once we know.
Once we know the area of the base, this is then multiplied by the height to determine the volume of prism.
Of the prism. Okay, 2 points for nut boy. Once we know the area of the base, this is then multiplied by height to determine the volume of the prism. Okay, so we have other formula aside from V is equal to length times width times height. We can solve or we can get the area of the base first. How? You're going to multiply length times width. That would be the base of the shape. Length times width, that is the base. Okay? Then after that, you times it into height. into its height. Okay, example. So this one, instead of writing length times width, you can write B. What's the meaning of B? B alay, base. Say my. So we have here the base and the height. Okay, base, length times width is the base, and height. Okay, let's try. So, first thing you need to do is multiply length times width. 5 times 4 because that is our length and width. See my? Length is 5 centimeter. Width is 4 centimeter. So, 5 times 4 talay.
20.
20. Okay, so that is our base. Shemai, 20 is our base. So 20 times height. What is height? 7. Shemai?
7.
Okay, so 20 times 7 equals... Alay, alay.
140.
Okay, 140. Okay, so volume. Okay, have here length times width times height. 140 centimeter cube or 140 cube centimeter. Or we can say 140 cc.
CC.
Okay. So this one, go back. Okay, the same with this one. Length times width, that's the base. 4 times 7. Simay? 7 is the length, 4 is the width. And height is alay, 5. Okay. So, alay, 7 times 4 times 5 equals 7 times 4 times 5 equals alay, 7 times 4 times 5 equals 140. It's the same, right? Let's see. Let's count.
140.
Yeah, they're the same. Okay, they're the same. 140 cube centimeter. Okay. Me, do you have worksheet? Mimi. Worksheets, me mine? Students, do you have worksheet? In math?
They don't know. Teacher.
Ano na?
They don't know.
You don't know law? You don't
Yeah.
know? You don't have worksheets in math today?
Have teacher.
Have?
Yes, have.
Okay. Okay, the same like this one. Surface area stands for, SA stands for surface area. Simay? SA. But we're just going to focus on volume, na? Don't focus on SA. We're just going to focus on volume. So volume is equal to length times width times height. So on this box, ani, you can see length talay.
20.
Okay, 20. And what is the width?
9.
9. So what is the height?
8.
Okay, 8. So 20 times 9 times 8 equals
1440
okay, so 1440 cube
centimeter
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 or
centimeter cc.
ใช่ 1440 cc. Okay, they're the same. Next. Okay, let us read first. Who wants to read this one? I will give 2 points. Song ka na na? Who wants to read? Okay, I will call a name. Go home, girl. Can you read this one?
Yes.
Okay, go. The volume. I cannot hear. Go home, girl.
Teacher, I crossed a microphone. Sorry.
Okay, go.
The volume of a solid is um the amount of space inside the solid.
Volume.
Volume is measured in cubic
Cubic
units.
units. Okay, so thank you, go home, girl. You have 2 points. So the volume of a solid is the amount of space inside the solid. Volume is measured in cubic units. Okay. So here, let us see this one. When we calculated the volumes, we counted the cubes inside. Okay, let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the length. 1, 2, 3. That is the height. Height. Width. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you count one by one, you count the cubes inside one by one, it will take so long. See, Mai? It will take so long if you count one by one. The easier way to solve or to get the volume is to know the formula. Volume is equal to length times width times height, or area of base times height. Okay. This lesson is so easy, si Mai ka? Si Mai? This lesson is so easy. Getting the rectangular prism, getting the volume.
Yes.
Right? You just multiply length times width times height. Very, very, very easy. Okay. So this one, 3 times 3 times 3. So we have 27 cubic units. This formula works very well for rectangular prism. Okay. So don't forget this one, that V stands for volume. L stands for length. W stands for width. And H stands for height. Okay. BH. There is an easy way or other type of formula. Instead of writing length times width times height, you just write B. What is B? B alay. B means base. Na? Base. How to get the base? Area of base. B is equal to length times width. Okay, B is equal to 3 times 3 equals 9. Square unit. So here we use square unit. ใช่ไหม we use square unit ไม่ใช่ cube square because we just get the base only the base ทำไม2 why is it square because length and width only not two area the length and the width easy มาก okay so I think that's it for today's lesson because you're going to take a rest na and this lesson is so easy so I'll give you time to answer your worksheets and also let us ask teacher Yin. Okay, let's ask teacher Yin. Are you there, teacher? Teacher Yin, are you there? Teacher Yin, are you there? Okay. Okay, let's ask teacher Yin. She's here already. She's there on the other side.
อยู่คนละมุมกับที่เชอร์นักเรียนโอเคเดี๋ยวเรามาดูที่
Okay, teacher, thank you so much, teacher Yin. Okay, students, goodbye everyone.